Hey guys, welcome back to Broke People's Guide. Today I'm gonna change my windshield wipers. So that's a good way to climb into the car.
I've read the lock.
First, you're gonna take out the new ones. Hello. I can never remember how to do this. Okay, so first you're gonna lift your wiper, whatever this, the blades. You're gonna lift it up. There's a little thing under here that you can push in. Wherever that thing is, you're gonna push the rest of it towards it, like that. And then it should release. You're gonna get your hands dirty, so don't be like, oh, I don't wanna dirty my hands. Oh, shoot. And now you're gonna take your new one, face it in the same direction, and then look for the little stick. So this little hook thing needs to go into this hole. Put it in the hole. And then slide it all the way in. Want to make sure it's, there you go. So push it all the way up until you hear it click. Hi Eli.
Hi.
So we're gonna do the same thing here. We're gonna look for the little hook thing, push it inward. That's hard to see. And then just pull down. And so you don't get confused, hold it in place, and then you're gonna find the other one to match the way you're holding it. This is the hole that you're gonna stick this in, and then we're gonna push all the way up. There we go. We changed our windshield wipers. Let's test it. Ooh.
It's so clean.
$4 each at Walmart. My cheap ones.
So, it was on that Broke People. So yeah. Bye.
Bye everyone. Please subscribe. Please do subscribe and watch my other videos.